Look at how creepy my face looks. It looks like icing. Hi guys, it's me Rachel. I'm back today with another new video, and as you can see today I am wearing my glasses and I have no makeup on, which means we are doing a skincare video. So today we are going to be talking about these little guys right here. These are the Dr. Jart Shake and Shots. I heard about them the first time when they came in my Bommy box a few months ago, and I was actually like, this is so weird but so interesting. And then I had one in there and it was very, very strange, and I was like, this will make a perfect video. So let me go through the 4 styles that we have in here. This is a special set that I got from Sephora whenever they had their 20% off the Ivy Rouge sale. So I think it costs $36 normally. I will correct myself right here. Or is it right here? Whatever side. It's going to be on one of these sides. I will correct myself. These are the 4 types of shaken shots that they have in the store, and they also have all 4 of them in here, so you get a little sampling of trying them, and they look like little creepy milkshakes with these little baby heads on them. Like that is really freaky. Look. Creepy baby head. As you can see, these things are really creepy, and I'm going to quickly go through the colors and the different flavors or styles that they have, and then I'm going to pick one and just stick it on my face and show you guys how it works. The first one that we have up is the Shake and Shot Rubber Hydro Mask. It is in a yellow and light blue container. This is the one that came in my Bommy box whenever I got it the first time. So I will not be doing this one today, but I want to show it to you all anyways. I will point out this one is actually very, very hydrating and very, very fun to play with. I had fun scaring people with it. It was great. The next one we have here is in a salmon and like turquoise colored packaging. This is the Shake and Shot Rubber Brightening Mask. I have not tried this one yet, so it is up for the options that we are going to use today. We will see which one I end up deciding on in a few minutes. The next one that we have here is the Shake and Shot Rubber Firming Mask. This one comes in this beautiful little lavender and salmon colored container. It is actually adorable. I love the colors that they picked for all of these. I think they're cute and fun and really happy. This one I will probably not be the one that I use today. I don't think I need a firming boost right now. Most likely what I'm thinking after reading that is it'll probably be the brightening one, but we will see what the last one is. The last one we have in here is in this adorable little turquoise and lavender packaging. This is the Shake and Shot Rubber Soothing Mask. One thing I must say is the packaging on all of these is so adorable. I love the bright little pastel colors that they use. I think they are lots of fun. I think I'm going to go with the brightening one, and then I will try all the other ones at a later date. I can guarantee you that they are all absolutely fantastic. So let's get started in using this one. So how you use this is you just open up the package, and it has this little spatula thing in it that looks like a straw and this creepy baby face. Oh, this thing is so creepy. This little creepy baby face is gonna give me nightmares. Creepy baby face. They have 2 packages. One is, I don't know what this is. This one is the Super Booster, and this one is the Brightening Liquid Ampule. Directions. Open and remove spatula from the lid. Combine both. Step 1 and Step 2, liquid ampule in the cup. Close the lid. Cover the hole with your finger and shake well until fully mixed. Using the spatula, apply an even layer over the entire face within 2-3 minutes, avoiding eyes and mouth. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Start from the edges and gently pull away. Remove any excess with a damp cloth or pad. Follow with your skincare routine. So I am actually going to go and mix these together in the bathroom. I will be back in a second. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one and then mix it with this one, and then I will come back and shake it up in here, and then you can watch me put it on my face. Oh, FYI, I will also tell you in advance that whenever I come back, I will not have my glasses on, so if my eye contact seems a little funny, it's because I actually can't see very well without contacts or glasses on. So this will be interesting. All right, so this is all shaken up like you can see right here, and then it actually, the ampule thing, step 2, actually comes in the color of the lid. It does the same for the Hydro Boost one. So my eye contact is probably awful right now because I can't see anything. So now I'm just going to put this all over my face. Yeah, and I'm gonna go scare my mother, which is a great idea. Oh gosh. It's like really soothing. I actually really like this. I apologize if you can't see my face, because don't worry, I can't see it either. I need to move this.
2 hours later.
Alright, now that that is on, I have to let it sit on for 15 to 20 minutes. So I will probably fast forward through all of this, and then I will be back when that is done. You know, I must say, this is actually very, very cooling on the skin. I am a big fan of it. I'm also hungry. I'm gonna go eat something. Gretchen! Making my mom come look.
Are you posting this? Oh, your nose looks like it's gonna drip.
A few moments later.
Update. So I've had this mask on for about 5 minutes. I like how cooling it feels on the face. It feels very moisturizing. It makes me look like I have icing on my face, and it also makes me look like I have like this booger right here that's just hanging off. It looks like it's going to fall, but it's not. It's just hanging out there. We're gonna put that back right there. It's about 8 to 10 minutes in, and I'm still feeling good. I am now just sitting here drinking a chai latte. This might be too hot to drink. And I have popcorn in the microwave. Are you guys excited to see if I can eat popcorn while wearing a mask on my face? It'll be very, very interesting. Side note, if you are a popcorn scarfer, wearing a mask and eating popcorn might be the best way to correct your behavior. We will find out in a moment. Game of the moment. Try to eat popcorn with a mask on. Okay, that's crinkling a bit whenever I do that, because I'm moving my mouth a lot. Okay, at least I can tell it's drying. Oh, actually, it's a pretty good feeling. So I can tell that this is almost dry because some parts when I'm eating this are starting to pull up. I was way too hungry though to wait till after I was done to eat something. But my eyes look so weird right now because I'm staring at this lens and it's all a massive blur.
3 days later.
I have been informed that time is up, so I'm going to start pulling this off of my face. Let me grab a garbage can. Garbage can procured. And I'm just going to start, put this between my legs, and then I'm just going to start pulling this off. Okay, this is interesting. Oh, it's like jelly. Oh, it comes off in sheets. Oh, this is so satisfying. Oh my god, this is like the most satisfying thing ever. Yes. Oh my god, this is so satisfying. Oh my gosh, yes! Oh, I love doing this. It feels so freaking good. Yes. Okay. Okay, this is really satisfying. For anybody who likes like pulling off like burnt skin whenever you get sunburn, this is like the activity for you. Oh, this is so freaking satisfying. Holy cannoli. Okay, I'm going to go wash the last little remnants of this off of my face. All right, I now got the last little bits of that off, and I put my glasses back on so I can now see, and I'm not awkwardly like staring into space like I was before. Probably watching me edit it, I will be cringing the entire time. It'll be beautiful. Now, I must say about this mask that it's actually extremely satisfying. It is very cooling, and the jelly kind of just moves all the moisture into your skin. I'm not sure about how it looks with the brightening. Post-editing Rachel will have to comment on that down below as she looks at her face before and after the mask is done, whenever she's having fun looking through all the weird tidbits of herself. So, overall, I really enjoyed that, and I think if you are looking for some sort of luxury product to try that's relatively cheap but gives you a nice feel, especially if it's a hot day outside, because those are so cooling, this is definitely something that you should give a shot to. Because it's a shaken shot. All right, that is all that I have for you today. If you want to check out more, go to thekpophero.com. Logo will appear right here, and it'll also be linked down below in the description box. And also make sure to give this video a like and a thumbs up, and let me know what you guys would like to see in the future. All right, have a good one. Bye, guys.